Hey, it's here for Sisi Ghana there. Every single day, so yeah, you take our wasem. Every single day, we bet news be a ever shock say is this really Ghana? It's here for na and that DIRT there. You're very serious. Answer never to us on subscribe and click the notification bell no. And no and a down screen to see we are the latest news be about once Ebeka. Now asem no story no eda menim say me read the actual na matetre nsemu actual but ne tintin ene ne tietia ne say institution bi a yususu say hospital e wo Accra baby a friend Alajo say police for ekohwe ya ade a yen yefi say hospital no say enkrofo e de ho etuo ene bomb etiefo just say womo de ho aye company bi a de womo ya ne say womo manufacture bombs and guns etuo ene bombs and I say womo manufacture e was an institution in Accra in Ghana today. Hey, oh baby Ghana say aye kwai de ho ya yetro misre ho ya yetro papa na etie for send me din kan first no article no ha say me read article no ya hwe senior aban ana ye beka say senior security forces no etumi ye ekọ arrest say be wo mu a yesusu say wo mu nim hu bi no na we say the covert activities of bombs and guns manufacturing syndicate inside a popular hospital within the Accra suburb of Alajo has been uncovered by a joint police military national security operation. And no any sama eba not just a police any military any national security womo na ebo mo a womo koye operation we asabe womo ko hu say say hospital aye de yesusu say hospital no say bombs na ye create e wo ho. Now was say the medical director of the facility, name withheld, was arrested on Friday afternoon together with his accomplice, a Volta region-based blacksmith. Not just say nipa a medical director yebeka say facility no wo hweso no obviously want to mean ka say onim ho hwe na ya che no but nipa ni din there ye mfa nto just say na abranti a yesusu say wono na sebe wonim nim there e wo sene ayeye tuo ene bomb ne ho no wo free Volta region sa abranti no so ya che no na high placed sources have told us that the arrested medical doctor has strong connections with terrorist organizations. They were more can say medical director na ya cheno no. You see oyobi asebi e bad terrorism omo wo mu die wudisem e wo wiase afane ni na. Sa medical director yi or links with these people. Hey, right here in Ghana. Medical director in Ghana. Wow. I'm shocked. Now I say the medical doctor and his accomplices had been on the radar of the security agencies for 15 months before he was finally arrested. Not just say for 15 months, over 1 year ni na police for enyante yese bibi say e na ekoso but wo mo hwehwem ana afei pa wo mo nsa akoso ni mu no. Now say our sources say he imported heavy duty state of the art bombs and guns manufacturing equipment and explosives into the country and had already begun production. Hey! Not just say embra ya kwache no say abrantie we na odefan he say abrantie we ya say just say wakra equipment tools infidi asebe ye de ye bomb any etuo wakra fi amanone abagana na wakra fi amanone bagana no efa port obviously nti eba ne say na efa port no yetumi ma ne clear ya and then e go do the hospital wa wo use e producing bombs and guns mentiase because woman can say abrante way infidia wo use e de ye etuo ene bomb no okrafi amanone okrafi abrochi na say wakra aba mahwe ama wa clear nyama no akọ hospital ho use hey I see 15 already manufactured assault rifles and a stockpile of explosives were uncovered at a back room inside the hospital during the raid. Not as a woman say so far no why etuo bako 15 na bombs ne deɛ wayɛ ne bebree bombs ne deɛ yɛntumi nkan wayɛ ne bebree na wakɔ store saa etuo ne bombs no ɛwɔ room bi a kyerɛ sɛ police for ɛkɔɔyɛ wɔn akɔkye no. The two are currently in the custody of BNI. Efforts to secure bail for them have been abortive as the joint operation seeks to apprehend more of his accomplices. Not just say yache no ehwa na say intempara the lawyers buy ya wo mo yo ma say wo mo be granting the bail, but police for no ampene wo mo ampene wo mo say entumi mba ne say abrantia no sebe wo no pe na wo ye adwuma bi say ebi abakwa kohwem kra na politicians bi etan na chi ebi abakwa kohwem kra na enye ono because ntumi dem say abrantia no ne sebe black spirit ne pe na eye adwuma we. Obviously there will be a financier, there will be someone financing them. Na assembly there abomi pusankasa na me person me read the comment na me say Ghana for among so one more story assembly, what are they saying about it? Will be say hey, watch out Ghana, and only assembly will be the first thing I mean so me kind of know hey let me say na Ghana cry then they see to the extent that have a bomb and gun manufacture hey are they. I say one day straight one factory and that's a one factory mumbe sisi bombs so hey na say many hey asa baby Ghana Africa ko ide baby Ghana Africa ko ide eye hey na etie for arabo sem dey say wo mo dey asem we be politics so ed be politics ebi mo ka say hey ofoso apofo nsema wakan no sisi be ko ahwehwe na ofoso apofo etachi eno ne asema bobi nso ka. As usual, politics and Nkrofo ede. We be so Nkrofo blame NDC ni Mahama. I don't know why Ghana. We be say true of some powerful threat must be taken seriously. And then there's some Nkrofo so can. So I don't know. A lot of people are blaming Ofusu. I just don't know. But Ebimu Susu say a fake report. Ebimu Susu say Aban Shasiye. Now Nkrofo say we the NDC4 obviously serious matter like this and no names of hospital and accomplices and only asama will be can say asem kesiye to say mo abo hospital no din sebe director na mo say mo ache ne so mo ambo ni din blacksmith na ye say we free eye voter region so mo ambo ni din that say indirectly no asem we fake and only asama Nkrofo eka. So it's as if some people don't believe the news. Some people also believe the news, and people are also using this news for political lines. I don't know, but more try watching our comment box anymore. We also say Mahama boot for boot. Hey, I some more in Nkrofo blame NDC. Wow. It's here for seriously. Maybe Ghana here kika corner and yet to the extent say a serious issue like this. Abba, na ye di hun komo Adwenya eba Nkrofo trim we dey NDC4 we dey Mahama seriously dabi. I don't think we should actually be doing this. I don't think we should be doing this because this is a very serious issue. Now as serious about say near can we don't need to play politics with it. Yes sir, Ebema Ghana yen fan same be serious, but because of politics ninti we say a democrat can say assembly they don't believe it. Almost to say abai na asheda in same way eba not just say Ghana for can say hey we there ofuso apofo nsema wakan because people are actually saying that. So we there Mahama boot for boot we there ofuso apofo. What I say issues like education, issues like security, they are not issues e was say yete eye amanyosem. Sa nyamani ne odeko ya amanyosem ebema sebe the seriousness of the thing ebeba from hwe ade a esi omo a womoko SSS no SS bakwa womoko bra wo be answer a very big scandal ni na no politics inti politics o na ma sansem nya esi politics inti and hwe SS womoko yesi green womoko green no mako golden den chese SS system aye bisi basabi ni na politics inti internet for way there assembly arewo assembly eba but I don't know why Ghana yadi yewe obi say let him go and see terror items so he would understand what it means to train a militia. Only Manasseh and NDC think and when ya means beaten. Oh, ahoya okay. Asemo. I don't know what the person is trying to say. But it's here for another story. No more try what your comment box no me that say.